Hi, and welcome to my video. In this video, I will briefly discuss memory units in a computer. So if you recall, memory cells are commonly grouped together to form larger units of memory. When this is done, in order to call that group of memory cells, the address of the first cell in the group is used as the address for the entire group of cells. So when grouping data together, we first have a byte. And a byte is going to be 8 bits of data. If I scroll down a little bit, you'll see this chart, which has some more common units of data. So if we look at this chart, you see we have 8 bits, which will make up a byte. And a byte is symbolized by just the letter capital B. A kilobyte, the KB, is 1024 bytes. Or 1024 times 8 bits. Moving up, we have the megabyte, which is symbolized by the MB, and that is going to be 1,048,576 bytes, or that number times 8 bits. We have the gigabyte, symbolized by GB, and that is going to be 1,073,741,824 bytes, or that number times 8 bits. We also have a terabyte, which is going to be the TB, and that is going to be 1,099,511,627,776 bytes, or that number times 8 bits. And then the petabyte, which just goes up from there. What is that? I don't even know what these numbers are when you're adding commas up that high off the top of my head. But as you can see, we can store memory in large quantities. This is a tremendous amount of memory, and most computers nowadays will stop at the terabyte. But there definitely are supercomputers out there that have zettabytes of memory. You may ask yourself, or you may ask me, how would I ever remember these numbers in this table? Well, it's actually quite simple. If I come down here, you see I have some math down here, and what this is showing you is that 1 byte times 1024 is 1024 bytes, or 1 kilobyte. So we have the 1 kilobyte. And if we times that 1 kilobyte by 1024, well, we get the amount of bytes in a megabyte. And then if we times that number again by 1024, we'll get the amount of bytes in a gigabyte, and then times that number by 1024 to get the amount of bytes in a terabyte, and then so on and so forth for the petabyte, the exabyte, and the zettabyte, or zettabyte. I think it's zettabyte. And that is all that I have for you on memory units. For now, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.